Myself, Ross Paxton, Meredith Fletcher, Stacey Brown, Tanika Collins and Amy Paxton are presenting to you a marketing strategy for a digital registry solution to meet the needs of the building industry. We have conducted a design thinking strategy to explore the actual journey, pain points and solutions through the SWOT analysis and TOES analysis, determining our marketing strategy through the Ansoff matrix. It was about resolving why and how this solution will address a need. As a team, and for the purpose of our marketing plan, we decided to pitch the digital registry concept to architects and builders in the construction industry. In Australia alone, there is an estimated 13,555 businesses in the building sector with an income of $6.4 billion, generating a profit of $603 million. Combine this with the approximate 1.1 million persons employed in the building and construction industry, this equates to around 9.1% of the total workforce, making it clear there is a potential customer base significancy. All buildings have to satisfy the Australian Building Code Act established in 2016, and a digital registry provides a one-stop shop for architects and designers and builders to reference with specifying materials and ensuring safety standards are met to ensure they are building code requirements. A digital registry would improve the chances of winning a project as it decreases the time it takes for verification on materials through separate channels and is also providing proof that they meet the agreed standards. The reduction in time and effort will take to get the products verified via the registry means projects can move to the next stage quicker, opening doors for architects and builders to take on more work, eventuating in increased growth and profits.
Through the persona of our builder, we were able to identify key insights into the pain points throughout the process for ordering building supplies. What was it that we could address easily? Where could we go to establish relationships to ensure a seamless ordering process for registry users? In an industry burdened with slow changes in standards and the filter of information shared, there is a lack of understanding across the industry of what compliance means. The cost of supplies due to changes for compliance are exorbitant. Avoiding the need to build relationships with all stakeholders to build trust would be an advantage. We needed to create awareness across the building industry about compliance and high quality materials we need to use, especially where public safety is concerned. It was important the digital registry solution address the unknown amounts of capital for upkeep of the database or marketing, and the regulation of costs for suppliers of the database with the ability to influence future pricing and the range of products available. To address development hindered by external government and industry regulation saves everyone money, including the taxpayer.
The 7P formula to evaluate our proposed marketing strategy. The 7P diagram highlights the proposed strategies for meeting each of the 7Ps. Starting with product. Obviously the digital registry online database. Process. Making it quick and reliable information regarding each product quality. Place. Making it accessible everywhere via the internet or phone. Price. Having an affordable online yearly or monthly subscription. Promotion. In conjunction with suppliers and holding contractor forums to highlight the benefits of using such a product. Physical evidence through surveys with the end users and also finding statistics on building quality reports. People, having strategic relationships with suppliers and builders.
The TOES analysis will take us through the strategic options from our SWOT analysis. Strengths to opportunities. Industry-leading company with ethical standards to match. A strong presence within government entity buildings trust the product. Long-standing relationship. Be at the forefront of building industry standards. Marketing placed to reflect assurance of safety. Supplier to fund cost of database for appropriate position. All personnel have industry experience to ensure they can service the entire industry. Strengths to threats. User-friendly and accessible to the market. Invested in USP setup and ongoing maintenance. Be the preferred point of contact for materials. Leverage positions from the database to preferred suppliers. Need to ensure investment is returned. Be genuine in offering the market a point of difference for suppliers. Weaknesses to opportunities. Consult directly with government regarding changes in legislation and regulations. be the first to address the changes to standards with aggressive marketing campaign, innovate the project and present directly to industry regulators gaining their approval. Larger business entities backing the project creates loyalty in the brand. Emphasize the ease of access to ordering and information. Weaknesses to threats. Collaborative relationship with the government to create stringent standards for this database. Communicate stages of development. Use time to prototype using market research. Leverage off existing relationships to expand loyalty base. Promote the ease of ordering and resolution to using materials that comply. Offer a monthly or yearly subscription.
The Ansoff matrix was used to look at current and future marketing opportunities and strategies to ensure that the digital registry solution is diverse enough to meet the market with substantial variation to capture a greater market share. Market penetration, ensuring that the interface is user-friendly, easy to access on building sites. A mobile application or mobile optimized website is very important. Quick reference list of already compliant products that can be used on the go and when ordering materials rather than having to look things up. Including information about where the materials are from, as well as whether or not they are compliant. Marketing development, ensuring that the digital registry solution has the ability to integrate across a number of different compliance acts and countries, giving it the ability to be used internationally. The ability to filter the digital registry solution across residential construction and commercial development for ease of use. Reporting back to manufacturers of non-compliant products, the number of searches their non-compliant products has had over a given period, for example, monthly, quarterly or yearly, to potentially entice them to look at a compliant option. Product development, ratings and reviews functionality that any previous users, be that builders, suppliers, manufacturers or architects, to rate the product and review it. This will give the users the ability to not only see whether or not the product is compliant, but whether there is other issues that they faced when using the product, including potential flaws or things that they really liked about the product. Customer service consultants or compliance consultants that can assist new users or existing users who may be having issues with the digital registry solution. This could be visits in person, conference calls, or an online chat functionality. Diversification, branching out into other markets, for example medical compliance, which can look at medications that may have been imported into Australia, but may or may not be legal for use or distribution in Australia.
After completing a strategic matrix for TOES strategies, we have identified timeframes and budget for strategies which we believe to be quick wins and major projects. Starting with the quick wins, development of a register with monthly and yearly subscription. An allowance has been made for 1 month of full-time resource to set up this service, with budget allowed for ongoing maintenance throughout the year. Leverage positions within the database to preferred suppliers. This requires a strong, experienced person who can be the face of the digital registry solution. And whilst after 3 months you'll see some reward, this rule has been budgeted for a year to allow ongoing relationship management. User-friendly and accessible to the market. Believe a small team of IT service desk consultants resources to provide business hours support for the end users. Again, an allowance has been made for the full year for this service. Communicate stages of development. Use time to prototype using market research. Using online marketing strategies to help keep the end users up to date with ongoing updates and changes. Whilst again we believe some reward will be seen within the first 3 months, we have allowed budget for the full year. Major projects. Consult directly with government regarding changes in legislation and regulations. A key to the ongoing success of the digital registry solution will be to have a strong presence and relationship within government bodies. We believe that 1 to 2 resources will be required ongoing for this business to be a success. Marketing campaign to reflect assurance of safety. This will vary throughout a 6 to 12 month period, but a budget of $100,000 has been allowed as we predominantly believe the internet will be utilised predominantly for marketing. Larger business entities backing the project creates loyalty and brand reward. We believe that two, again, strong, experienced resources will be required over a 12-month period to work on brand and reward loyalty and have a strong presence within the market.
We started this marketing strategy with why, and it is important we share with you our findings. Our marketing solution for the digital registry is addressing the major issues. It will work because the building industry needs strategic alliance with pre-existing building suppliers, such as your Bunnings, your Home Timbers and Mitre 10s, ensuring the cross-promotion opportunities of compliant building supplies. It would ensure shared responsibility, maximising the current sustainable relationships with the suppliers. And finally, the digital registry represents a financially sustainable business model, benefiting all stakeholders, mitigating risk, and there is strong marketing potential through ease of access to product information. Thank you for your time.